What does it mean sacred? We call Mecca haram, from the same word as haram. It's the same word, haram. Haram and haram. Haram is called haram because many things that are halal outside the haram are haram inside the haram. This is why we call it the haram. It's a sanctity. So for example, you're not allowed to hunt game in the haram. You see a wild deer, you cannot go hunt it. This is a haram. You're not allowed to pull a tree. You cannot pull a leaf from the haram. And everything that is natural, it's Allah's creation. You cannot touch it. Allah says in the Quran, وَمَنْ دَخَلَهُ كَانَ آمِنًا. Whoever enters the haram is safe. And this is a ruling we still apply in our sharia, that if a criminal, if any evil person does a crime and he runs to the haram seeking refuge, then Allah says he is safe because this is a haram. And the Jahili Arabs upheld this. Ibn Abbas said, we would see, in the days of Jahiliyyah, a person would see the murder of his father doing tawaf, and he wouldn't touch a hair on his head. You can't do anything, this is the haram. Right? So Ibrahim sanctioned the haram. Showing respect to the Kaaba, Ibrahim alayhi salam sanctioned them. Instituting the sacred months. There are 4 sacred months in our sharia. In these sacred months, all hostility has to cease. You're not allowed to engage in any warfare. Everybody must be at peace. And of course, this is a boost to economy. When you have warring tribes, then Allah says, no, in these 4 months, there must be peace. Doesn't matter what the excuse is. So this boosts the economy. It brings about peace in society.